So thanks for watching again, and this episode here is we're gonna continue where we left off. So vehicles today are so much more advanced than that truck that I bought back in 1980, right? Just the other day I was driving around my wife and in her 2020 Sienna, and a little notification popped up that there was a storm on its way to San Antonio, right? I told my wife, it's incredible, right? You know what band is playing, you can put whatever smart music you want. There's so many different sources to get music and news and so forth. So it's great, technology's great, right? The suspension rides are better, anti-lock brakes, airbags, seat belts, radars, ADAS, assisted cruise control, lane departure, lane keep, 360 camera, reverse sensors, just a lot of great technology, right? And after an accident, the collision centers are the experts that you're trusting to make sure we get everything back to perfect condition. Everything. And we have to test everything. And the only way to know that something's functioning is to do a test, to simulate the operations of it, right? And there's tools and equipment out there that cost lots of money to have, lots of money to invest in, lots of money to purchase. Not all collision centers have invested in it yet, which is perfectly fine. They can always move the car to Toyota or move it to Nissan or Chevy. So many collision centers have chosen to invest in the equipment because it increases the customer overall service experience, right? A consumer doesn't really know how long an accident takes. They don't wreck, but once every 10 years is usually the average of a person having an accident. So you think, well, 20 days or 30 days or something. I mean, my rental's 30 days. The fact that your rental's 30 days has nothing to do with the severity of your accident or the year, make, and model of your vehicle, or the parts availability, or the operational tests that need to be applicable to the repair. I'd like to go into that a little bit more on our next episode, so please stay tuned.